Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical for all you crypto enthusiasts in Dubai. The title says it all. How to withdraw USDT from Binance in 2025. With Dubai's booming crypto scene and evolving regulations, knowing how to safely move your USDT out of Binance is crucial for managing your investments or daily transactions. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. First things first, before you begin, make sure you have a few essentials in place. You'll need a verified Binance account. That means you've completed KYC verification to comply with Dubai's strict anti-money laundering rules. Also, ensure you have enough USDT in your Binance wallet and familiarize yourself with any local fees or taxes that might apply. In Dubai, things like the Virtual Assets Regulatory Authority (VARA) guidelines could affect your withdrawal, so stay informed. Alright, let's get into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Binance account using your secure device and two-factor authentication for extra safety. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section and select Withdraw. Step 2. Choose USDT as the asset you want to withdraw. You'll see options for networks like TRC20 or ERC20. For Dubai, I recommend TRC20 for faster and cheaper transactions, but double-check based on your receiving wallet. Step 3. Enter the withdrawal amount. Be mindful of the minimum withdrawal limits, which might be around 10 USDT, and don't forget to factor in any network fees. Step 4. Select your withdrawal method. In Dubai, you might opt for a bank transfer via partners like Emirates NBD or use a local crypto exchange for seamless conversion. Make sure to input the correct wallet address or bank details to avoid any mishaps. After that, review everything carefully: transaction details, fees, and recipient info. Hit Confirm and complete any additional verification, like email or SMS codes. Once processed, your USDT should arrive in your specified account within minutes to hours, depending on the network. A quick word of caution: always withdraw to a wallet you control, never share your private keys, and keep an eye on Dubai's regulatory updates for 2025, as rules can change. This helps you avoid scams and unnecessary taxes. There you have it, folks. You've now got the lowdown on withdrawing USDT from Binance in Dubai. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe and crypto savvy. See you in the next video.